What's up, everybody? Okay, today I'm at the Little Lost Creek again, closest to walking distance. I'm at a spot that I've been many times. I finally gave in, and I'm going to try the Ned Rig. I did a test run at a different part of the creek a few days ago, did really well. I just want to see how deadly it actually is. That's a lot of action when you're swimming. There we go. First one is a really small rock bass. That is little. Dang, calm down, bud. Oh, that's tiny. Rock bass. Next spot. Well, I hope you don't come off. There you go. That's number 2. It's the first smallmouth. Oh, barely hooked. Barely. That came right out. There we go. Not bad. Number 2 on this Ned Rig. Cool. That was the first cast in this spot. Okay. See if I can go 2 for 2. I was swimming it and then I stopped. Swimming it and stopped. Swimming. Wow. Back to backs. Another smallmouth. I really like this lure. I did good with it the other day too. That one's smaller. But I usually catch small fish anyways, unless I'm in a pond or a lake. Heck yeah. Alright, right here is a deep pit pool. I can see. I should be able to catch a few out of here. A couple. I hope. There was a tree down here and it's not here no more. Oh, I got just my first. Oh, you gotta be kidding me. Definitely putting that in the video. Check this out. I caught a rock on the Ned Rig. Wow. Ooh, what is that? I don't know what that is. What got it? Carp? Oh, it broke me off. That was a drum. Oh. Wow. Dang. Okay. Wow. I'm going to say that was because of the drag. I did not have the... Okay, I had luck here earlier. Why not try it again? Feels like it's been forever. I gotta get away from this spot though. It's like a snake haven, honestly. Yeah, it's starting to get dark. Doesn't look like it on here, but it is. I'm gonna go back to the other spot. Okay. Ooh, almost lost my watch. Buckle that sucker on. Alright, I'm going back up here. where I actually started, but I'm only going here because it's now been probably 40 minutes and it's getting darker. So I'm hoping if any of the big ones were spooked by my presence earlier, they will be enticed by the bait. So, and it's a deep pit. There should be like that. Like that. Nice quality smallies. Okay, give. Thank you. I've been needing you for a little bit. That was a good one. Thank you, Smalley. I appreciate it so much. Wipe that off. That was it? Okay, cool. Whew. That made me feel better now. Alright. Okay, let's go back in here. I don't know if that sucker hit it on the fall or what, but... Oh. Okay, I'm not gonna... They're gonna eventually stop hitting this, so... Okay, I'm gonna try to sight fish these bad boys. Try to do it from this angle. So that way I'm in front of this log. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Okay, there's something down here. I just want the one more, I said that earlier though, one more like really decent one. All right. Keep going. All right. That's a bite. Here in the water slosh, here in the water slosh. Oh, I'm gonna lose this. How much confidence I have in my casting right now. Okay, let's go that way. Oh. Like if I get one, I'm stopping. Okay, you guys heard that. What was that? Did I really have one for a second? Maybe? No, it's a leaf. Oh man, why does it have to be so dark already? If I turn this way, you guys got plenty of light. But I'll cast over there, but I don't think I'll be able to get my rig over that thing. Well, so is it underneath it? Where is it at? Oh, it did come over. All right, I feel better going this way. Well, that's it, guys. Whew. Okay, that was fun, and it was real, and it was real fun, but I gotta get going. Got stuff to do tomorrow. So, thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you later. Woohoo!